Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's try and make a unicorn today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! But first, let me keep this bookmark here. Start with the unicorn's face. And then the ears. For the horn, we are going to make curved lines and complete it in the triangle. I'm sure you know that unicorn have colorful hair. Why don't we make it together? Making this unicorn is so easy. Let's make the neck and let it be in a cloud. For the cloud, we will make curved lines, just like how we make it for a tree. Let's do the eyes and then the nose. After that, let's make the inside part of the ears. And then, this is my favorite part. Rainbow! We will count and make sure that there are 7 bands of rainbow. Now, let's start making stars. These stars will make it look magical. For this, we will make slanting lines and connect it together to get an entire star. This activity is getting better and better. Now let's use our sketch pen and give it an outline. Let's give an outline on top of the pencil marks. Now let's make the hair. We have made this drawing with a lot of curves. A C, a U and many more designs. Let's do the rainbow curves now. Once we are done tracing the entire thing, let's erase all the pencil marks. Once we are done erasing it, why don't we start coloring it? We will take bright colors and color the entire picture. Why don't you choose your own colors and try coloring? Let's give it beautiful variations. You can also shade your drawing. might have seen a lot of unicorn cartoons. Can you tell me which is your favorite? What would you like to name this drawing? I would like to name my unicorn Magic Boo. Let's complete the coloring. Make sure you color inside the figure and not outside. To make a better drawing, you can always start with the outline. Outline means touching your drawing's outside part and coloring. Let's use bright colors and complete the entire unicorn. After that, why don't we do the cloud with blue color? If this is an imaginary drawing, then you can also color the cloud pink, purple or whichever color you want. We will color this in circular motion and then smudge it with our fingers. Now this is ready. Let's do the rainbow. Do you know the rainbow colors? Can you tell me? They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Let's color them properly. Let's complete the rainbow with red color. And finally, let's do all the stars with yellow color. You can also try using glitter for your drawing.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video. In the next video, we will try and make a bookmark.